Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a frontal install with Alipearl. I will be using 14, 16, 18-inch bundles as well as a 12-inch frontal. A wig cap came in the bag as well as the bundles, of course. But now I will be using bow hold, just regular bow hold. And I will be doing about 3 layers just with the bow hold. And I'm going to wait until it's clear to stick her frontal on. I forgot to mention that the bundles are Deepwave. After this clip, I will be putting on another layer of glue, which will be the last layer. Then I will put on her frontal. With her frontal, I pretty much wanted to imitate how her hairline was, so I used Nair to get that. I feel like if I didn't use Nair, it wouldn't have looked natural. It would have just been straight across. Alright, now on the baby hairs, this go around I'm using the same thing. Well, really I'm using just the Gorilla Snot, but I'm not using the yellow one. I'm using the one that's like more clear. The one in the red bottle, I think it says Rocco. I'm not sure, but that's what I'm using this time because sometimes I feel like with the yellow one, it'll leave like, if it dry up, sometimes it'll dry up like yellow, and that gets real aggravating. But to be honest, I want to say both of them are the same, and I think it's working pretty good. And it's not too hard, like when it gets dry. Now, if y'all want me to go over the mousse method, I don't mind doing the mousse method, but pretty much right here, I am just going in a swooping motion. So far, I've just been spraying water and using leave-in conditioner, the conditioner and leave-in conditioner to spray. I really recommend you guys to shop with this company. This company is pretty dope. I think that their hair is really good, and for people who's gonna get this hair or get curly hair in general, just don't just put like just water. Like when you add just like spray water on it and just brush it, your hair's gonna be dry. That's when the hair starts tangling, being matted, and feeling all rough. So I recommend y'all to do that. Please use leave-in conditioners. But thank you guys for watching my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Shout out to Alipearl. I will put the link to this hair down below. I'll put my Instagram name as well as that, and their Instagram name. But thank you guys again. Bye.